Here are 7 tips to book more meetings using video in cold emails. Number 1, use a simple headline that is personalized to them that makes them curious. For instance, name, made this for you, smiley face. Number 2, use each line of text to get them to read the following line. Each line of copy should waterfall into the next. For instance, once we're below the subject line, line 1, hey name, line 2, space, line 3, made you the short video, smiley face. Number 3, less is more. Even with a simple example, the text I mentioned is very simple, and that's primarily it. Below the text, we'll have a GIF, more on that in a second, and then your email signature. It's an email that is mobile friendly and doesn't require a scroll, aka friction to action. Number 4, use a clickable moving GIF that clearly shows you made this video for them. That can mean that the GIF shows their LinkedIn profile and you, a whiteboard with a name on it that clearly is visible, etc. There are many softwares out there that work for this. We use Vidyard and that works great. Number 5, keep your video less than 60 seconds long. Don't go through a long pitch. This needs to be 100% about them and solving their problems or perceived problems. Use a soft CTA like just reply back if you're open to chat, and bonus points if you can get under 30 seconds. Number 6, make sure they know it's not automated and focus on building fast trust. Everyone's skeptical and fears automation, and most hate to be spammed. You can build trust by doing simple things in the video, such as making sure the screen you share is their LinkedIn or even a Google slide that says, hi, their name. Other simple things, such as say their name immediately at the beginning of the video so they know it's made for them and not AI. Make sure you have good lighting and decent background so you actually look professional as well. Number 7, be consistent. The last tip is simple. You won't book 100% of video cold emails, but if you are consistent, you can have tremendous throughput on your outbound. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and tag a rep below to help them.